Okay, it is finally time to replace the struts to the hatch. They've gone bad, considerably bad, and I need to replace them. These are the replacement struts right here. Yeah, and look good. I have to figure out how my old ones come out. They have these instructions here on the side of the box. And go over them, different ones that you might have. And I got these, well, they're Rhino pack. They're lift supports. And who did I get it from? Corvette hatch, left or right rear with defogger. Doesn't say who I got it from, but they are GM. Original GM products, licensed. So, on mine, I don't see, other than inside, there a way to get these to come off. So I'm going to have to spend some time looking at these and seeing how to get these ones disconnected from here, because it doesn't have the clip like it talks about in some. Maybe these are just pressure fit. We'll find out. Be right back. And the last time I got these out, I had to unscrew them from the car. That was kind of easy. I want to break my window. Alright, that's basically all they do. They just pop right off. There's no clips, no anything on these. So let's do the same on this end. Yep, they're just press fit on. There's a little detente right there. Alright. Let's clean that up. And get the new one in. So the new one actually has clips. They got them right here. So we will get those. I need a small flat blade screwdriver. Let's see. Come on, get back in there. There we go. Okay, that's on. Let's do the same down here. right? And now that we have that one on, I can possibly take this out and it will hold up. But let's close it. Good. And that rubber band I left on. Look at that. Doesn't go up all the way, but we'll make it go up all the way right now. All right. So that's basically it on these. I'm going to do the same to this side real quick. And see if we can get this knocked out of the park. Oh, it's a little too heavy for one, but a broken one and a new one works just fine. Alright, don't figure. So let's get that off. Boom. Those are off. Clean those off. There we go. So now we can take you out. And now we can test it. Oh yeah, there's definitely some pressure that has to be put on that to close it. And opens up beautifully when the button's pressed. So this is nice. This is nice. I like it. And we'll put this back here. That is another episode that's coming when I fix the defroster lines. But for now, that's fixed. So for now, the lift struts are fixed and working. So they're done. Boom. Off the checklist.